Pachinko is multiplied by 15 by the Topsy. And we have a top slot of 15, yes indeed.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
There's some top winners here for this one. And here's another spin time, so of course, good luck with the next one, yes? 4 numbers for Bones Games out of place on top. Yeah. Four extra crazy top at the top slot, by the way. 7, I hope it's not happening to you, though. Yes. Be careful what you wish for others. Guys, we have crazy time with 4x. I wished it for you, and we got it. Right? Good things. Wishing good things to each other, guys. We got 4x and crazy. Let's get this party started. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. 4 times better. Everything on his wheel, 4 times better now. Nice. Okay, time to figure out some flappers. Which one to go for? Green, blue, yellow, one up to you. Which one to go for, guys? Oh boy. So the highest one here stands now 400x, unless we hit some more doubles. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued, 753,243 euros.
Right, we back, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. Nice wins. 100, 260, 4.2k total winners. Beautiful. Enjoy. Off we go with the next one. That is so nice to catch. Crazy. Finally. Moving on then. Good luck. 3x on cash in would be nice too.
Where they're located. In class by rounds 4 1s and 1 2 as well. It was now to reestablish that. Wishing you the best of luck. Let's go then. 2x on a 1. Up, down, slide. Oh, lovely to see some reoccurring nicknames. Let's catch up. How are you doing today? How's your date so far? And look at that crazy time. Please follow me. Well, hi. Amazing to meet you here at Crazy Time. Are you ready for winning multipliers? Well, I hope you are. Final moments to get yourselves mentally ready for the multipliers, of course. And now, please make it a choice if you want to go for the green, for the blue, or for the yellow flapper. 3 options standing right there in front of you. Which one is going to be your one and only, bringing out the highest multiplier? Well, wishing you the best of luck, and might potentially be up to that 100x. Let's do it! 25x for the blue, 50x for the green, but double for the yellow flapper, which means each and every single segment is going to get doubled. So potentially double the fun, double the multiplier for those who chose the yellow flapper. Let's do it again. But now, after that 200x, good luck! We doubled it once, but the wheel is saying not enough. Let's double it all once more for the yellow flapper. Well, ladies and gentlemen, check it out. Now, if you're good at math, you probably know that it might be. And after that 400x, let's do it! Well, can you believe it? We're going for another double for the yellow flopper. Wow, let's double it all. And ladies and gentlemen, now it might be possible to get even up to that 800x. Here we go. Good luck. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you see it. Another double. I already lost count of how many doubles it is. But the point is, we're doubling what's more. And now, hear me out. It might be even up to that 1,600x. Let's do it.
This is the amount of money issued to 143,354 euros.
240x multiplied appears to be. Congratulations to all of the winners. Special count.
12, because I remember Source came out. We tried Source. It was absolutely like dog, you know. Cash on with a 5x, Topslot nonchalantly, casually, you know, type shift. Oh, every day, bro. It's every day, bro. No Disney Channel flow, you know. We out here flowing money. Check it out, what it is and what it do, ladies and gentlemen. We got 100x. Management, hook me up. Woo! Hey, W's in the shot or whatever they say. 500x is going to be the maximumest multipliers. You ladies and gentlemen, you know, you gotta hit this. You gotta hit this. Hit it hard. Choose your favorite spot, you know. Whatever. Your mom's birthday combination, you know, your mom's month and birth date. If there's enough of these things out there. But remember this, ladies and gentlemen, right? You have to pick a target. Behind that target is going to be a multiplier. If you don't pick the multiplier, if you don't pick the target, don't worry about it. It's going to pick automatically for you. It already has pre-picked for you. Unless you don't move it, you know, it's going to be...
This is the amount of money issued, 44,868 euros.
15 players got the 500. 1,675 total winners. Congratulations, each and every one of you, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely epic. Say, hey.
I'm seems in love. Just because I'm smiling all the time. Pachinko with a 2x top slot. Guys, it's a top slot win! Yay! Look at that! It's a top slot win for the Pachinko. Oh, wow. Yes. Now, let's go for the Pachinko with a 2x top slot, please. So 5x, 7x, 50x, oh, 200x, and there we go. And then a highest of 400x, and let's start the fuck. The highest is 400x. Come on, at least 200x, please. 100x. Okay, 400. 400. No.
This is the amount of money issued, 147,968 euros.
400x for the Pachinko, 1,031 winners. I told you guys from the starting there will be something good gonna happen. No one believed me. I told you. You know, a little bit stressed because I have to find like certain accessories before the next week. But other than that, I'm doing great. I'm doing fine. Pachinko is multiplied by 15 by the Topslot. Because I'm attending a theme party and honestly, wow, we're getting the Pachinko with a Topslot of 15. Let's go. Get it. Okay, hello, welcome to the very special Pachinko. We have a multiplier 3, we have a multiplier 5, 7, 10, 15, 25, 35, 40, and a 50. And we we have a top slot of 15. Yes, indeed. Let's go. Let's get the party started. Let's get a nice multiplier. Just so you know, the highest multiplier is 750. Let's get it. Come on, 750. Please, please. Or 600.
This is the amount of money issued 360,801 euros.
Oh, whoop, whoop. Congratulations, 7,700 lovely winners of this round. Let's go again. This was beautiful. This was also the biggest win of the day. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's go. And the bets are now closed. Good luck. Apparently the puck falling out of my hands was a lucky sign. Let's go. 10 is multiplied by 3 by the Topslot.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.